Hello friends, good morning. I am Rajendra Patel. I will teach in Standard 6 English Medium, subject Maths, Chapter 3 is continue, playing with numbers. Today, friends, last period we study about the sum number 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Today we are going to study the next sum number 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. After study these 5 sum, our exercise will be completed. Friends, so look here, first sum number 7, 3 tankers. Tankers means the vehicle in which liquid substance are filled. Now 3 tankers contain 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesel respectively. Find the maximum capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. Means, friends, in this sum we have to find one container which can measure the capacity of a container that can measure the diesel of 3 containers. And so we have to find the first we have to find the one container which can measure the diesel of all containers. Friends, so what we will find here? LCM of or HCF. Friends, we have given here a one words, maximum. In last period I told that if we want to find HCF, then in question has maximum, highest, greatest, this word is given. Now, how we can find the SCF of 403, 435 and 465 with the help of prime factor. Friends, with the help of prime factors, we can find the SCF. So first we do the part of prime factor. First 403. We can't divide this number by 2. So 3. Check the key of 3. 4 plus 0, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 is not divided by 3. So this number also do not divide by 3. This is our main 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17. This is our prime factor line between 1 to 15. We can't divide this number by 2, by 3, then 5. What is the divisible key of 5? So any number has last digit 5 or 0, but here 3. So we can't divide this number by 5. So go 7. So try to divide 7. Chalo. 7 7 ja 49 big. So 7 6 ja 42. It is also big. So 7 5 ja 35. Here 5 3. We can't 7 7 ja 49. Here remain 4. So we can't divide this number by 7 because here we we got remainder here. Now there is no 8, 9, 10 in prime number, so 11, try 11, but we have a key of 11. The total of 4 and 3 is 7 and minus 0, 7. So 7 can't divide by 11. If here 0 or a number which can divide by 11, so it is also wrong. Now we can't divide this number by 11. Now go ahead, 13. So check it by 13. 403, 13. 3 3 ja 13 3 ja 39. 1 remain, 3 down. 13 1 ja 13 1 ja 30, 0. So 31 and 13. So 13, 31, and we know that 31 is a prime factor. So we can't divide 31 by other numbers. So 31 is equal to 1. Friends, the prime factor of 403 is 13 and 31. 403 is equal to 13 and 31. Like this, the factor of 434 by 2, because last unit digit is even. Friends, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, here 1 remain, here 2 7 ja 14 here. Now last unit digit is 7, but we can't divide it by this number by 2, because last unit digit is even. So we go to 3, but check the key of 3. So 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10. 10 can't divide it by 3, so this whole number also can't divide by 3. Now 5, it is also wrong, because last unit digit is 7. Which number we can divide by 5? The number has last unit digit 5 or 0, then we can divide this number by 5, but here last unit digit 7, so we can't divide this number by 5. Check by 7, 2 1 7, 7 3 ja 21, 0 0, 7 1 ja 7, remainder is 0, remainder is, so we divided it by 7, 7, then 31, 31 is prime, 31 1 ja 31. Here the prime factor of 434 is equal to 2 into 7 into 31. Now last 465. Check it, we can divide this number by 3. We can't divide it by 2, so then 3, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. Yes, so we can divide this number by 3. Divide by 3, 4 6 5, 3 1 ja 3, 1 remain, 3 5 ja 15, 1 remain, and 3 5 ja 15 again. Now 155. Check it. This number we can divide by 3 again. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 can't divide by 3. So 5. 5 3 ja 15. 5 1 ja 5. 31. Here 1. Prime factor of 465 is equal to 3 into 5 into 31. Friends, we want to find HCF. So which number is bigger, highest, is greatest, biggest, and same? Here 13, but here nothing 13. Here also nothing. Here 2 and 7, but here nothing 2 and 7. So 31 is biggest and common number in all numbers factor. So 31 is our HCF. So our answer is 31. We have a 31 लीटर्स कैपेसिटी वाला एक कंटेनर चाहिए जिससे हम सबको कंप्लीट मेजर कर सकते हैं. नाउ सम नंबर 8, फाइंड द लीस्ट कॉमन. find the least number which can divide by 6, 15 and 18 and leave remainder 5 in each case. First we have to find, we have given here list, so we find LCM. LCM of which number? 6, 15 and 18. Look here, 6, 15 and 18. Start with 2, 3, 15, 9. Then also we need to see 3, 15 and 9. We can't divide it any number by 2. Then go 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 3 ja 9. Then 3, 1, 5, 3. Lastly 5. LCM of 6, 15 and 18 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18, 18 5 ja 90. This is the LCM of 6, 15 and 18. But our condition, leave remainder 5 in each case. सब में 5 रिमाइंडर बचनी चाहिए, तो ये 5 in it. This is the 95. So 95 a number which can divide by 6, 15 and 18 and remainder is 5. Now sum number 9. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. Friends, sum number 9, we have to find the LCM first, then which is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. Then 1000 divided by LCM and we got remainder. Then remainder is minus from 1000. Then we will get the number which we can divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So first find the LCM of 18, 24 and 32. Start with 2. 9 2 ja 18, 12 2 ja 24, 16 2 ja 32. Again 2. 9 here as it is, 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16. Again 2. 9 as it is, 2 3 ja 6 and 2 4 ja 8. Again 2. 9 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 2 ja 4, 2 again, 9 3 1. Then 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja 3 and 3 1 ja 3. LCM of 18, 24 and 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times into 3 into 3. Now this is the factor total. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 32. 32 and 9. 32 into 9, 2 9 is 18, 1, 9 3 is 27 and 1 28. So 288 is LCM. Now 288 is smallest 4-digit number 1000. So 1000 is divided by 288. Friends, suppose here round about 300. So 3 3 ja 9. So we can divide it by 3. So now 3. So 200 into 3. 8 3 ja 24. Here 2. 8 3 ja 24 and 2. 26. Here 2. 2 3 ja 6 and 2. 8 164. 864 minus 1000. Here 0, 9, 9 and 10. Here 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 6, 3. And 9 minus 8, 1. 136 is our remainder. 136 is minus from 1000. 1000 में से 136 minus कर दो. We got 864. It is a number which can divide by 18, 24 and 32. 288 is divided by 18, 24 and 32. But we want find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 4-digit number. Smallest 4-digit number which is the divisible 18. Now some number 10. Find the LCM of the following numbers. One pair is 9 and 4. Second pair is 12 and 5. Third is 6 and 5. 15 and 4. Observe a common property in the obtained LCM. Is LCM the product of two numbers in each case? The LCM of 12 and 5. 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12, 5 1 ja 5. 1 second one 6 and 5. 2 3 ja 6, 5 1 ja 12 and 5. First 9 and 4. First 9 LCM of 9 and 4. The factor of 9, 3 3 ja 9 and 4, 2 2 ja 4. चलो second pair of now 12 and 5. 12 and 5. तो 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12 and 5 1 ja 5. Third pair is 6 and 5. 2 3 ja 6 and 5 1 ja 5. Now last 15 and 4. 15. 2 3 5 ja 15. Prime number. 4 2 2 ja. We can say here there is nothing same number in each pair. So किसी भी पेयर में भी सेम नंबर एज अ फैक्टर प्राइम फैक्टर नहीं है. So we can say that these 4 pair are co-prime. We know what is the meaning of co-prime. So which has a common number is only one. All are co-prime. And we know the LCM of co-prime is multiplication of both number. 9 4 ja 36. Then 12 5 ja 60. 6 into 5 30 and 15 into 4 60. All number, we can say that all number is a product of two number. 12 5 ja 60, 6 5 ja 30, 15 4 ja 60. And a third similarity we can see is all number is divisible by 6. Now find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. So first find the factor of LCM of 5 and 20. Start from 2. Here 5, here 10, 2, 5, 5, 5 1 ja 5. The LCM of 5 and 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2 ja 4, 5 ja 20. Second pair 6 and 18. Start from 2, 3 ja 6, 2 9 ja 18. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. The LCM of 6 and 18 is 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18. Now LCM of 12 and 48. 12 and 48. 2 6 24. 2 3 10 12. 2 3. Here 6. 2 3. 3 1 ja. LCM of 12 and 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 16 3 ja 48. Now last 9 and 45. We can't divide it both number by 2, then 3, 3 3 ja 9, 15 3 ja 45. 3 1 ja 3, 5, 5 1 ja 5. The LCM of 9 and 45 is 3 3 ja 9, 5 ja 45. We can see here friends, first have LCM 20, the biggest number 20 here. Second LCM 18, here biggest number 18. We can see 48, here also 48, biggest number 45. So this is what, so we got a biggest number from all pair as a LCM, and we can see here 5 is a factor of 20, 6 is factor of 18, 12 is factor of 48, and 9 is factor of 45. Here smallest number is a factor of biggest number. So friends, what we observe? We observe LCM is biggest number and smaller number is a factor of bigger number, otherwise greatest number. So friends, here we completed exercise 3.7 and this whole chapter also. In next period we will start the chapter 4. Okay, Jai Swaminarayan.